TOPJOB S-rail mounted terminal blocks with push-in cage clamp reliability. Tried and tested billions of times, push-in cage clamp is the universal connection technology for all conductor types. Solid and stranded conductors, as well as fine stranded conductors with fair rules, can be terminated by simply pushing them in. No operating tool needed. This is the most cost-effective way of connecting conductors. Yes, no fair rules are required for a reliable and safe connection. Unprepared, fine-stranded conductors without fair rules are always connected by inserting the operating tool into the operating slot, which remains there until termination is complete. This way, the clamping unit is marked and kept open for hands-free wiring. All single-deck TOPJOB S-rail mounted terminal blocks connect unprepared conductors one size over their rated cross-section and can be loaded with the nominal current of these conductors. Using smaller terminal blocks for larger cross-sections and current ratings saves up to 25% more space and money. This advantage provides greater in-the-field wiring flexibility, allowing you to use a 16 square millimeter terminal block even if the main connection requires a 25 square millimeter conductor. TOPJOB S rail-mounted terminal blocks pass shock tests up to 500 Gs and vibration tests up to 20 Gs. This means that you always get a reliable connection that's independent of operator skill, even under harsh operating conditions.